Hello children, today we are going to start your 7th standard, that is the unit 3, a letter from a mother. This is the lesson of yours and written by this Mary and Kane. This is written by Mary and Kane. And before starting this lesson, we are going to discuss pre-reading activity, listening and speaking here. And listen to what the teacher is saying and then answer his or her questions. And you are all in the class 7. You know already you are in 7th class and you come to school from your homes, don't you? Yes, you are coming from your homes. And if you are living in a hostel, it is regarding hostel student, and you have a brother or sister or a friend who is living in a hostel. So we are having a brothers and sister means we are coming from home to school means our brother or sister will be in hostel at the time of home, and the parents look after their children. And what about the children living in hostels? What do in distant places? And how do parents keep in touch with them? How they keep touch with the parents? Nowadays mobiles are there, understand, and landline mobile phones are there, no problem. But in older days what is going to happen? Letters we were using to write it, how they are studying. Otherwise if you want to give a suggestion, we are giving suggestion through the letters. And the parents write to their children regularly and both feel they are talking to each other. Parent and children, both they are feeling what? Together they are living. If you are write and show their wish or suggestion, anything to else in the letter. In this letter, a mother talks to her daughter. In this letter, present a letter from the mother. And in this, what happened? A mother talks to her daughter. How she is studying, how she get improving in her studies and all. He was getting and she was talking with her daughter through the letter. And read this letter at home first. Follow your teacher's model reading in the class. Then answer her questions. Already I thought if you have read already, but if you are not read, and read once again in your home. And here the letter is starting from the mother. Dear Poonam. What is the name of the daughter? Poonam. Dear Poonam, and it is strange to write because I am so used to you being close by. I thought of you are very close to me, and we say a lot of without words, but now you are away. Whenever you are living with me, so many words we were talking both, but now you are away, now you are far. And I can't help you to think of how you are growing up so quickly, how you are growing up day by day, how you are becoming your very day by day, 7th standard, 8th standard, how you are completing, how you have grown up very early or quickly. It is very amazing. And so this is only the first of more and more times apart until like a bird you will be ready to fly away. Now it became what? Free. Why day by day you are getting good knowledge and all. Now it became what? A flying bird. You will ready to fly away. It will be a greatest joy to see you strong and confident. And even it brings me sorrow to be apart. The mother is very confident towards her daughter. The daughter was very strong. That is why she compared her daughter Poonam to the flying bird. She was very confident and she was very even brings whatever sorrow, strong, and whatever decision she was going to take without parents, and it was very near correction to the parents. That is why mother was telling what? A strong and confident and bring to sorrow to be apart. Sorrow means whatever sad is also going to happen means she is going to prove that also as a happy thing. And being apart may be a good thing in this way. It makes me put into words those things I feel and think but don't say. For a distance, it pleases me that you are so strong-minded and persistent. You are not easily discouraged even when you don't succeed at first. What the mother is giving suggestion to her daughter Poonam. Whatever good things are there, it makes her put words into those things. I feel and thank you, but don't say. Good things are there means what happened? You should say them, and whatever good things we are receiving from others, we should say them thanks. Other than you should not think about the bad things and all. And for us insistence, what happened? It pleases me to our strong minded. That is why mother is thinking about her daughter what? She was a strong minded. Whatever decision she wanted to take on her own. And you don't succeed at first. Even when happen, if you are courage also. If you are discouraged from others means you won't get success in a life. Always you should have a courage. And remember the time when you couldn't do your multiplication tables. Mother was giving when the Poonam was very small. That time what happened? She was getting confusion of multiplication table. The teacher was going faster than you could manage and you felt bad and they were not unable to keep up. What happened? The teacher was going very fast, 2 1 2 2 2 4, 2 3 6 and all. But Poonam was getting trouble. Whenever teacher is going fast and she was feeling bad. I am very slow. I cannot reach the teacher. I cannot follow the teacher. That is why she was feeling very bad. But you made your own study cards and asked me and daddy to help you. What happened? That time what happened? Study cards she made. 2 ones are how much? 2 threes are how much? She asked 2 ones are 2. You are going to tell continuously. But 2 fours are how much? 5 tens are how much? 6 fives are how much? Suddenly teacher is asking so fastly. Then multiplication table she was facing a problem. That is why she asked me. Poonam asked her mother and father both, mother and daddy, to make a study cards to get help in multiplication table. And when you succeeded finally in learning those tables, you were independent enough to think through your problems but responsible enough to ask for the help to learn. But what happened when the multiplication problem she faced in her school time and all, and she got the idea how to overcome from that difficulties. And whenever we are facing a problem in learning, we should get help from others, father, mother, brother, sister or anyone. Understand? And I know your new surroundings with the new people. Now you are in hostel, the new surrounding and new people. There is no persons like mother and father at your hostel, and the way things are done at home are not the same way. Whatever you have made things in home, that is not possible in hostel. And you have to be careful to look after yourself, since no one is going to ask you how you are or care about your comforts. Some in hostel, whatever in a home you will be in, your nature, how it is. Understand your behavior, how it is, everything we are going to understand. Your father and mother. If you will be in hostel means that nature also new and friends also new, and how you are, your nature is not understanding by the others, are new people, are strange people. And don't think you are only the one with the needs. What happened? You need the help. You are not only one person to get a need from others. So many will be there. Everyone will feel as you do because it is a new situation for them. Or what happened? All our students will be in hostel. How you are going to get the help? How you are eager to get the help from others? How you want needs from others? All will be like that. Mother is going to convince her daughter Poonam. If you feel homesick, you may find helping someone else through their homesickness will help you to feel better yourself. If you are feeling homesick means if you want to go home, you should ask others who are homesick. You should talk with them. Then you will get and realize again you will become cool. Then you have to adjust. It is possible to adjust with the surrounding. And I want you to make the best of this experience, and I know you can. And I also know that a new situation brings confusion because you are learning a new ways to act. Don't be afraid to try new activities or introduce yourself to new people. Mother is going to convince her daughter. New situation, hostel life is new situation. You should adjust with all, and you want to make a best experience, and I know you can. You are going to get best experience. Mother is having a lot of confidence on her daughter Poonam. That is why that mother is telling my daughter is very strong minded and she is very ready to take her own. She had a confident minded. That is why she was going to tell her. I also know that a new situation brings confusion. Sometimes hostel situation, whatever it may be, some small things. A new situation brings you confusion. But though you are learning new ways to act, you have to act like adjusting for the new situation. And don't afraid for the new activities or introduce yourself to new people. Should not afraid for others. You should introduce yourself to others. All are to get ready to get a need from others. Those are called needy people. And you also want need, they also want need. Whenever we share our things, then we get a friendship with others. That is why mother is going to tell, should not afraid, you should share your, otherwise you should introduce yourself to others. And next, look after your own happiness without waiting for someone to look out for you. And but don't forget to look out for others' welfare too. What happened? Mother is giving next suggestion. Look after own happiness. Whatever happiness is there, that you should look after without waiting for someone. You should be happy. If you want to laugh, laugh. You should not wait for others, but to look after you. But don't forget to look out for others' welfare too. What happened? You should enjoy ourselves also, and we should give a happiness to others. And you always have done this before, and but now that you are now on your own, I want to remind you that you are capable for such a responsibility. Don't let new surroundings confuse you too much. What mother is telling, you always have done this happiness and to give a happiness and to take a happiness. Both you had a give and take policy. In home you have done, and the same thing you have to do on your own in the new surroundings. And I want to remind you, mother want to remind that all the things through her writing. And Poonam already capable for such a responsibility. Responsibility taking is very impressed by the Poonam. That is why don't let new surroundings confuse you too much. Not if you will be happy, if you are going to done this all the activity, you won't get confusion. Always be happy and be friendly with all your friends. And take your time to adjust, but don't forget to be aware of other feelings even as you discover your own. What happened? Take your time to adjust. You are before you was in home, now you are in hostel. That is a new situation for you, and new nature. Friends will get it, but you should adjust slowly. But be aware of others' feelings. You should give respect to other feelings. We should care the other feelings even as you discover your own. If you find anything about regarding any person's name, we should realize the feelings and we should add to that. That is, please write soon. Mother is going to tell whatever suggestion she had given, and please write soon. Again, you should give a reply and love mom. This is a letter written from a mother to a daughter. How does she convince? Sometimes we are losing our patience. That is also very important. If you are in a home, no problem. If you are outside, that is a problem to face things. That is why you should be friendly with all. This is the lesson for you. Next we are going to send a question answer. Before writing the question answer, glossary you finish. Next question answer very neatly you should write it. And after finishing writing, you should read on it. Understand?